First, let's talk about what a profitable blog is. A profitable blog is a website where you share your thoughts, ideas, and opinions on a specific topic or topics, and you make money from it. This can be through advertising, sponsored content, selling products or services, or other methods. A profitable blog can be a great way to earn passive income, share your expertise with the world, and connect with others who share your interests. Now, let's talk about how you can start a profitable blog. The first step is to choose a topic for your blog. This should be something that you are passionate about and knowledgeable about, as this will make it easier for you to create content and connect with your audience. It should also be a topic that has a potential audience, as this will make it easier for you to generate income from your blog. Once you have chosen your topic, the next step is to set up your blog. This involves choosing a domain name, setting up a hosting plan, and installing a blogging platform, such as WordPress. You should also choose a design and layout for your blog that is professional, attractive, and easy to navigate. Once your blog is set up, the next step is to start creating content. This should be high quality, engaging, and valuable to your audience. It should also be consistent, as this will help you build a loyal and engaged following. You can create a content calendar to plan out your posts and ensure that you are publishing new content regularly. Finally, you can start making money with your blog. There are a few different ways you can do this, but the most common method is through advertising. You can join an advertising network, such as Google AdSense, and place ads on your blog. You can also work with companies directly to place sponsored content on your blog. You can also sell products or services, such as ebooks, courses, or consulting services. So there you have it, those are the steps you can follow to start a profitable blog. It takes time and effort to build a successful blog, but if you're passionate about your topic and committed to providing valuable content, you can turn your blog into a profitable business. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!